Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch, and today we're going to do a quick box opening on my watchgang Black membership watch for October. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Laco JU52. This is still one of my favorite watchgang watches. This was on the platinum tier level, which is the $299 tier level, and there is something about this one that I just love. Now, to be honest, I don't do the $299 tier level anymore. I pretty much stay to the black tier level. If I'm going to spend $300 on a watch, it's going to be one that I pick out for myself. But I got a few that I really loved when I was on that tier level. Now, if you're not familiar with WatchGang, it is a monthly watch subscription. You pay a fee, you get a watch. There's a whole ton of other benefits between their Facebook groups. They have giveaways, you name it, watch related. They do a lot of it. Some people love it, some people hate it. I've had a lot of fun with my subscriptions. Also, if you're thinking about signing up for WatchGang, make sure you click the link below. It'll get you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points. Now, I had WatchGang actually just had their 5th anniversary, and I might be one of the longest subscribing members. I'm definitely the longest member that still makes videos of their subscription watches. Now, I actually did spin their birthday wheel, so I have another watch to open up soon, and we'll take a look at that as well. But yeah, if you're looking to sign up for WatchGang, there's links below. It'll get you some wheel spin points, me some wheel spin points, and if you're looking to save a little bit of money, I have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker and Aviate. And if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. We've got some cool stuff going on over there. Archon is not one I've heard of. Let's take a look at what we actually have here. Let's see if it's got a model number. Got a SKU number. Not a brand I've heard of. I'll have to do some research on it. Get it off the pillow here. Now, I wish the bracelet was a little bit nicer. This one is just kind of a stamped bracelet. Now, that being said, I have tons of watches with very similar bracelets and clasps and not had any issues with them. So I just like to see a little bit thicker bracelet on the clasp, but I have a ton very similar with no issues at all. Get a little better look at the dial there. If I could get the plastic off, maybe not. GMT 20 ATM. Got the date window over there at the 3 o'clock position. It has a very nice actual kind of case design. It is actually one of the last watches I was wearing. If you look kind of the shape, it is very similar to my Hell Gray Bomber as far as the case design on this one. The Hell Gray is a little bit thicker, and I do like the open heart and the crown over on the 4 o'clock position on that Hell Gray. But, you know, for my $99 subscription, this is not a bad looking watch. And that's the benefit of WatchGang, really, is getting a whole bunch of different watches, maybe getting some stuff that you're not used to that might be new to you. You might not know if you like it or not. Looks like we have a Swiss movement. This one's definitely going to be a quartz one. I do like that there's quick release on the bracelet. Would be easy to throw this on a strap. Archon. Yeah, 200 meter water resistant. It's got their little crown logo. I'm guessing that's a crown on the crown. Go figure. The bezel feels really smooth. Sometimes you have some that have really big clicks and or are almost spring-loaded, which makes them not line up very well. But that one actually lines up nicely. There we go. Little bit of texture on the dial. Be interesting to see what the lume looks like. I like the I like kind of the simpleness of everything on this one. Honestly, for my $99, I don't think this is a bad piece. Now I'm going to have to do some research on the watch itself and find out, all the retail prices and everything else and get back to you guys on what I really think of it after I size and wear this one. But that gives you an idea of what it looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. It is a nice size. Looks like I would be removing probably 3 to 4 links, maybe 3, and then using some of the micro adjustments here, which is nice because my wrist size does tend to be in between sizes, so I do like a watch that has some micro adjustments. But overall, not a bad looking piece. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.